So I am going to quickly show you a way that as a parent you can access reading books for your child at home if, say, you don't want to come in due to the coronavirus, or you're unable to get here, or you have access to a tablet or an iPad where just as easily you can see any of these books. So what you need to do is, I'll send over all the information, but you need to put in this website URL into your Google or whatever browsing site you use. You don't have to use Google, use whatever you like. And once you put it in, it will take you to this page here. Now, once you get on this page, you need to click on the teacher signing on this one here. So click on that one there. And when it loads up, you need to put in a username and password. Now, the username is parents@Harper. Spelled Harper wrong, that's embarrassing. At harpercollins.co.uk. And then the password, as we can see on here, is parents20 ! With a capital P. Now, once you have popped that in, parents20 ! Tap enter, and it should log you onto here. Now, once you're on there, you can go on Music Express if you really want to, but what you should be using it for is the ebook version of the reading scheme that we use at school. So if you click on this one, there you go, left click, there we go, Mr. Parsons. When you get on there, you can obviously see all the books, or not all the books, but some different books for each kind of book band colour. It goes all the way down to lime, so we can all access those. Now, one thing I would ask you, please parents, is do not jump your child up through the book bands. Even if you're confident they can read, say, orange, for example, do not move them onto turquoise. I would rather they stayed on the book band they're on, consolidated and got more fluent reading, both when they read and answering comprehension questions, rather than just jumping them through, their reading becoming kind of shallow instead of having that deep knowledge behind it. So please make sure you stay on your book band colour. And if you've got any questions or queries about this, do let me know and I will try and get back to you.